Hey guys, I'm here, and so I live in Texas, so there's a hurricane coming, and our neighbors come over to our house, and they're like, hey, you should probably check outside your house, because we were inside and we didn't know anything happened, and we thought it was just thunder, but apparently a tree was falling on top of our fence and or house.
Legit.
So, let's go climb it.
I go first.
Yeah.
Let's go. I need to do it on my YouTube channel.
Okay, so we're probably gonna have a big sleepover in the living room, so that.
No, I didn't say that. I said you will slip. Don't run.
Dang it.
I need time. Not in time. I could have got more subscribers.
So we're just gonna have to be careful and no, Penny, no. And we're just gonna have to be careful, and if you guys don't believe me about the hurricane, well, here's the news. So get out of my camera. You guys probably can't see this. Okay, well, that's it. I just wanted to tell you guys. Okay, bye.